Hi, greetings. Hello. This is Teacher Froy, or shall I say, welcome to my channel. Alright, so before we will continue about the three remaining steps or sequence about the 5 habits to stay productive and masters time management in 1 week. I would like to give you a synopsis about the previous sequence that I had laid out in the previous, live. So again, let us recap about those steps. First one is what we call prioritized with the 80/20 rule. Okay, if you could still remember about the principle of Pareto principle, which about 80% of results come from 20% of effort. So what do you mean by that? Again, I already explained that one in the previous live, so I want you to go back and scroll down on my channel. It was I had explained there already. And the other one sequence or step is what we call the time blocking. Having a time blocking, it allows you to focus on the activities that you want to achieve in that particular day. Alright? So, hopefully, na-enjoyhan na itong nagamit, enjoyhan nang nasunod ang previous na mga steps, because later on, I might be able to throw you different questions, prompt questions. If you already used the time blocking method, let me know in the comments. And the last, of course, I had laid out previous meeting is about eliminating distractions. However, I was not able to explain it furthermore. It's because I was caught up to my time. I was there was this activities no nga ako ang giatinan. I attended, so I did cut off my live. So that's why right now this will be the continuations of the 5 habits to stay productive and master time management in 1 week. Now, let me elaborate to you and discuss to you the third step, which is eliminate distractions. Now, what do you mean by eliminate distractions? So what I basically mean about that is you should dedicate yourself to declutter all the unnecessary things nga naa sa imuhang palibot in your surroundings, no? You better have to one way that you could eliminate distractions is to silent your phone. Silent your phone. You could also do declutter the unnecessary things nga maka-distract sa imuhang kaugalingon, no? If you truly committed to the things na gusto nimo mahuman nga nang butanga, you better have to declutter nga kanang mga butang nga dili na kailangan. So yes, exactly, that's exactly one of the way nga when you want to eliminate distraction, no? You need to be more organized your space, work in a clean and organized space. So kana siya, that is exactly one of the major steps to be productive and, of course, mastering time management. So hopefully, I would like to ask you a question. So what's your morning routine like? No? I do hope that you can share it below in the comment box. Another one of the sequence, one of the steps that you need also to follow in order for you to have a productive day is the power of morning routines. Now, let me explain this to you. Having a consistent morning routine sets the tone for the day. Now, what are your morning routines? No, dapat naa kay morning routines. Waking up in the morning, 5 a.m. No? 5 a.m. Wake up in the morning, 5 a.m. Pwede ka mag-reflect kadiyot. You do meditations also. Pwede ka mag-meditate. No, in the morning, you can meditate. Exercising probably. Or journaling in the morning. That's one of the ways nga pwede na mahimo ni mong routine in the morning. No, ako usually when I wake up in the morning, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the a.m. in the morning. It's because I have to, because I have a traditional job that I need to attend, no? And kana siya. So one of how ang routine, wake up in the morning, then magdungag, mag-prepare sa breakfast, taking a bath. I don't meditate. I kanang mubarura ko diretso and then just do the thing ang usual nga hong buhaton aron, which is the goal man good is makadto ka sa imong traditional job area, no, in as early as possible, no, like for example, yes, ni-follow na ka sa previous nga mga sequences, like mga steps, no, katong blocking your time, following the 80 rule, following the 80% rule, 80 over 20% rule, kana siya. That way, kung na-follow nimo ang time blocking, the elimination of distractions, it allows you to have a very productive day, right? So by having the power of morning routines, basically by having the power of morning routines, basically it will sets the tone for the day, no? There's possible that you could have a very productive day, right? And another steps, one of the sequence that you need also to follow again is to reflect and adjust daily, no? Yes, na kay habits mo nahimo every day, like na-habit na nimo unsa imong morning routine. There might also be possible nga ma-adjust jud na ang imong mga routine every day, no? Kay sige ka og reflect, no? It allows you kanang titawag na to og growth, no, na kay growth ana na siya. So daily reflection questions, mag-create ka og mga daily reflections questions, no, if naka-benefits ba na siya nga mga daily routines, ming improve ba ka sa imong daily routines na by changes. So it's necessary nga nadyo tayo reflections, no, through one way kung ganahan ganahan jud ka maghinuktok ka every morning, that's the way will also nga maka-adjust ka sa imong daily routines. All right, so again, those are the sequence of having a productive day, for staying productive and master time management in just a week. Alright, so I do hope that nakahatag ko og value, at least gamay man lang, and then if you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Then if you happen to visit on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the channel Talk with Froy and check out the related videos linked on the end screen to keep leveling up your productivity. Again, hoping that this video resonated with you. This is Mr. Simplicity saying thank you and bye for now.